Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with another project share. So I wanted to try to make these shaker acetate pockets, and I was just doing a search for a shaker or acetate embellishments, or I can't remember what it was, but I stumbled across, I think her name is Alicia. She is Love Letter Generation. I just love listening to her voice because she has like a really pretty accent. But anyway, I watch her stuff a lot, but I don't always reference it. But she did, I guess it's like a tutorial, kind of, sort of, but she didn't give any measurements. And she said she used the Cricut acetate, so I'm thinking that's 12 by 12. So I just kind of estimated, and I figured out, like, and I did a couple things a real differently, but otherwise it's basically what she had done. So I think it's really cool. Like, it's really great for sending flat mail. And a lot of times when you have to do like a pocket envelope kind of a swap, then you can stick you can stick like your embellishments and stuff inside, and then it's relatively flat, but it's a cool way of packaging it up. And so I totally wanted to try to make it. And so what I did was I cut the 12 by 12 acetate sheet in half, so it's 6 by 12, and then I sewed 3 sides together, and then I scored. So this is what she just folded it, I think. So I scored it at 4 inches, and then I folded it up, and I creased it. And then before I sewed it into the pocket, I stuck the sequence mix in that section, and then I sewed the pocket shut. And so you still have this part. So this part was all empty, and then I stuck the rest of the sequence mix in the back, and I think it came out really cute. And then you sew up the top and you're done. So it's not that difficult. It might be a little challenging because acetate, it's not that forgiving, but that's why I like acetate better than other, like when you try to use the sheet protectors, it moves because it's a little bit more pliable. Anyway, so this is the first mix. This is like a ghost mix, and I've said before I like the pink, black, and white look. So I did one with the holographic rings and the pink rings, and then the stars and the ghosts, and I have the 2 different sizes of ghosts. And I think it came out super duper cute. Like, I love it. Oh my gosh, I don't even know who I'm sending, stuff to, like where I would use this pocket thing, but I love having it. Okay, and then the second one I made, I wanted to do like a blue mix. It actually turned out to be kind of Christmassy, like wintry, because these flowers they kind of look like snowflakes a little bit, but I mainly wanted to stay in the blue color scheme, and because it was blue, and it just looks nice with silver to me, so I changed my thread to the silver to do this one, but it's just mostly shades of blue. And then this one, I wanted to do a Hello Kitty mix, because you know me, I love Hello Kitty. So this one is a little bit less red. It's more like pinkish red. So there is some pink incorporated in here. It's like a really bright pink, dark bright pink. I still put the strawberries and the gold. So this is kind of my go-to Hello Kitty mix with these little Hello Kitty polymer clay pieces, and of course the bows. So I thought that came out super fun. And then the last one, I had done this when I had done the vaccination card holders, and I really love how this one came out. So I made a mix using the rose gold and gold. So it's like a peachy kind of color, but it just looks really nice with the gold. So those are the 4 that I made. I have, this was kind of like a spur of the moment thing. I saw her video and I'm like, oh my god, I want to try to make that. And so I just kind of did that. I didn't decorate it, obviously. I think I'm gonna, I might just give it to other people, so I'm not sure how that's gonna work, but I just wanted to share with you what I did. So I will link Alicia's video down below so you can try and see how she put hers together, since I didn't actually do a tutorial on it. But I think if you follow, it's pretty self-explanatory. If you have a sewing machine, it'll be super easy, but if you don't, I imagine you could do it with a fuse. It might just be a little bit more challenging. You might not be able to use acetate. I'm not sure how I've never tried to use the fuse on acetate before. I've always used it more on sheet protectors. So anyway, if you figure that out, let me know. But for now, I'm loving my sewing machine. And I just wanted to share with you how cool this is. So, and then you can always like punch a hole and an eyelet and then like dangle stuff either from the top or on the sides. And that would be like super cute too. So, I kind of didn't put too much stuff in terms of like embellishments on here, like, because I think I want to just leave it for it when I want to embellish it. Like, you can do something like that, or you can put a bow, you know. So I think that all of that would be super fun to be able to embellish on your own. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you what I had made, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.